Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Lower Rack Asm Complete part #WD28X21715. GE Lower Rack Asm Complete part #WD28X21715 is a complete lower dishwasher rack assembly for GE dishwashers. This part includes the lower rack, wheels, and all necessary hardware for installation. The rack is designed to hold dishes and other items securely in place during the dishwashing cycle. It also features adjustable tines that can be moved up or down to accommodate different sizes of dishes and other items. This part is compatible with many GE dishwashers, including models GDF520PGD0BB, GDF520PGJ2BB, GDF520PSD0SS, GDT580SSF1SS, and more. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning lower dish rack assembly in a dishwasher. It can fix symptoms such as dishes not cleaning properly, dishes not draining properly, and dishes not drying properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unboxing the GE Lower Rack Assembly Complete part #WD28X21715. 2. Carefully remove the lower rack assembly from the box and inspect it for any damage or missing parts. 3. Place the lower rack assembly onto a flat surface and locate the mounting holes on each side of the rack. 4. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the 4 mounting screws to each side of the lower rack assembly. Make sure to tighten them securely. 5. Once all 4 screws are in place, carefully lift up the lower rack assembly and place it into your dishwasher. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.